Meet our adorable, smiling little piggy. With its cheerful expression and charming personality, it's hard to believe this little guy started out as a simple rectangle. Here comes the fun part. Watch how this humble rectangle starts to take on a whole new personality with just a few simple lines. Next in line, a simple circle is the foundation for our piggy's charming head. Because of course, our piggy needs a spot to showcase those adorable eyes, right? And tell me, you silly peep, what's your favorite animal? Maybe we'll draw it sometime. Imagine the fun. Now that we've perfected the snout, it's time to grace our piggy with that irresistibly charming smile. Maybe this smile will spark some inspiration for naming our little buddy. Or maybe this ear will drop the perfect name idea into your imagination. Let me know what you come up with. You're doing pretty awesome. I'm seriously impressed with how this head has come together. Now that it's basically finished, let's shift gears and dive into the body. Body? Check. Legs? Check. Oh wait, almost forgot the crucial accessory. The tail. Alright, silly peep. Should we unleash the marker? I've got a good feeling about this. Got your marker ready? Cool! Let's unleash some seriously awesome lines. I can see you're really focused there, but we are back at the ear again. So, have you thought of any epic names for our little piggy yet? Now, let's give our little piggy that adorable smile. Because all we are left to do is that snazzy body, and our little piggy is ready to steal the show. And tell me, what would you tweak on our little buddy? Maybe some cool shades, or do you have something else in mind? Let your imagination run wild. Crazier the better. And you know where else you need a wild imagination? When picking colors for our little buddy. Just look at how fabulous mine turned out. And you know, if you want more free, fun videos like this, head over to scribblepeeps.com. Bye.